What's going on, everybody? We're out here in Coral Springs. Here's our team, starting with Greg, Dr. Kingsley Chin, Dr. Jason Seal, Dr. Barack. Got our sea armor here. Coming in.
You wanna hate me and hate me. What can I do when you getting money? Funny, just like you, I had to hustle hard, never give up. Until I made it. After clever nigga, nothing to play with. Ain't no move without the same OG. Before me. When you
out now.
So my niggas on the hunt, hunting down with the saying we never look, but can't get it out of the butt. My bad. Should I step on my shoes? Give them to you, hit my cars in my house. You can live in that too. Criticize me, I'm broke in the street. Hate my dress code. What you expect, yo? Nickname Esco. Took this game to a threshold. Let's go, I better hope you West know. Try to make it like you the realest. But who the hell is fake when you all know the answer to that? This nigga's feelings, right?
That's it.
Do that.
Dr. Kingsley Chin just doing surgeries.
What's
My
going on,
team.
everybody?
What's going on about? Escobar.
Go get it, go get it.
Back now.
No turning back.
This is what I am, Dylan.
Hey.
Real niggas can't stop now.
Yeah.
Do it now. Don't hate me, hate the money I see, clothes that I buy, ice that I wear, clothes that I try. Close your eyes, picture me rolling, sixes, money folding, bitches, honeys and swollen, the richest, not get in ya, most critically acclaimed, well,